Hi, I'm Coach Rick Wiltse at the Kegel Training Center. I'm going to give you a really quick and easy tip to improve your game today. Most of us know that we need to line our bodies up to our line of play or the intended path of the ball by aligning your feet, your hips and your shoulders in the setup. But oftentimes I see bowlers who have their forearm aligned across their body or outside the line of play. You want to put that forearm right down the line of play to make sure your swing is straight and accurate and following the intended path of the ball that you want. So making sure that this forearm is aligned, I've got my pointer here to help you see that, but you can take the pointer away and still look at your forearm in the setup and see where that forearm is aligned. That's going to help you stay on line and target and help you bowl a lot better and more consistent shots. If you want to learn more about alignment, we have a great course on that here called the KCMP Masters Program on direction, and also you can come and take a lesson and learn more about alignment and proper body position.